Hi guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm back today to share some fun little birthday projects that I finished up for a swap that I'm doing on Instagram with my new friend Jeanette. She is my Crafty Stash on Instagram, and she also has a YouTube channel, so I'll link her information down below. So this is the paper collection that I used. It's Let's Celebrate by First Edition paper, and I picked this up at Joann's. I think it's so cute. I love the little party animals and the colors and everything. I think they also have it in a 6x6. And it's funny, we didn't agree on a paper collection, just kind of asked each other what our favorite colors were, and we ended up using the same paper collection. And this is the main project. We did agree to do a letter stack that included 4 envelopes. So I kind of worked on this at the same time as I was working on the birthday mail for my friend Armin. So they're kind of similar, and they're just different embellishment boxes and paper and stuff. So yeah, I had a lot of fun with this, you guys, and I love the way it turned out. I did share the base of this before I had completely finished it in another video for In Love Art Shop, because I did use the In Love Art Shop ribbon dies here that are poking out from the layers. So I love that die. I think it's super cute for birthdays or graduation or just any kind of celebration project. So I was also inspired by Bona to put the letter stack on an embellishment box. So here's some of the goodies that I included: just some beads, buttons, paper clips, these little acrylic flowers I had in my stash, tassels, and then these, I did want to share these, guys. They're super cute, and I recently picked these up on AliExpress, and I think they're so pretty. They're acrylic flowers, a really good size. Love the colors, and also I think they have like a little tropical feel, so for upcoming little summer projects, I thought those would be really pretty. So I gave her a couple of those. So that's some of the goodies inside, and I'll share each of the envelopes. I had fun layering using different trims for texture, pom-pom trim, and things like that. So I'll share what I put in the envelopes. So these are some tags I had also created with In Love Art Shop dies. So I gave her the tags there. And then this next one, I just packaged up some little balloon animal stickers that I had in my stash and decorated a little bag topper. And I don't have any of the ephemera or like stickers or anything that goes with this. I don't know if there are any, but so I just did a little fussy cutting on some of these from the paper collection and just went through my stash and looked for stickers and things that kind of matched. So on this one, I added a little sticker that says beauty, some little hearts, sequins, and I love this little rose trim here at the bottom. And then the next envelope, same, I just added another one of the stickers. It says fun, more hearts, and then I included some little crochet bits that I made, some little hearts and flowers. So hopefully she can use those. And then this top envelope has, excuse me, this top envelope has a handmade paper clip embellishment. So I just did some stitching, added some little stickers for my stash, half of a little crepe paper rosette. The little star is a wooden star, and I just drilled a little hole in it and added some beads hanging from the star. So pretty simple, but I think it turned out cute. And then for the top decoration for the envelope, I just decorated up a little birthday flag. So I had a couple of these in my stash that were gifted to me a couple years ago by Mimi. So I'm digging through what I have, and I'm happy to use it. So these are super cute. I just added some little diamond dots to the polka dots, a little tiny acrylic bow, and some beads right there. So love how that turned out. So I had a lot of fun with that one. And then there wasn't much else that we had to make. It was just a small swap. So I made a couple little bows using a new die that I picked up on AliExpress too. I'll share that. But super cute. I think it's a cute shape, and just added some little stars and a heart and a quick little bag topper using a gold doily, eyelash trim, and some more stickers and enamel dots from my stash. And then this I had also shared on Instagram, and it uses another In Love Art Shop die to create the little house treat box. And I used a Sizzix die for the little party animal there, balloons, so it has some other little goodies in there. So that's it. It was a really fun swap. This is the die that I used for the bows that I recently hauled. And yeah, that's it, guys. So check out Jeanette's channel. She's so sweet. I was really happy that she reached out to me. She was gonna just send me some birthday mail because we share birthdays in April, and then I thought it would be fun. I've never done a birthday swap, so we decided to do a birthday swap, and yeah, it was really fun. So I already got her package. I'll be doing a video on that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think, and go ahead and check out Jeanette's channel and give her happy birthday wishes and stuff like that. So thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.